Yep, so I'm out again. It's the same day as the previous video you just saw. But you know, as I said, I would go camera hunting, and that's what I did. And I found something. And now the light just got really sharp, so I'm sorry if the video quality is not amazing. What I found though, just gonna move it there, here we go, was one of these. It's an AGFA Ambi-Silette. It's a rangefinder and it seems to work pretty well. So what I'm doing now is I'm actually out trying it and seeing if I can get it to work for me. It seems to work pretty well, so I have high hopes, really. I have good hopes for it. But you know, we'll see what we can figure out. Right now I'm shooting at f11, more or less. I've been some at f8 as well. And I've seen something. I'm just going to turn the camera around. I've seen this really beautiful set of lines here, where you have this little hill back there going up, and then you have the kind of diagonal green line of the field that I'm in. And I'm gonna do that first, and then I will progress on. Hope you will enjoy it though, and I'm sure I will enjoy it. I'm still shooting Fomapan 100, and the developer of use will be ID11. Yep, so you know, I'm still out shooting the AGFA camera that I just acquired, and it feels like it's actually quite a nice. Sorry, just forgot about everything because I had to close the camera. Anyway, it seems like it works really well. I do like it, and it will be fun to see how it works with regards to the results. I am right now just walking around trying to find things to photograph because I want to test it. I've taken a few shots, I don't know how many. The roll of Fomapan is 36 images, and sometimes you get a little bit more if you're good at rolling. I don't know with this camera how that works in that respect. But I will do some tree legs at this point, and I will see if I can get a nice picture of the bridge, because there's a really nice bridge over here, and I'm struggling to get access to it, so I will try and see what I can do, but I won't make any promises at this point, other than that I will try. I will see what access I can get, and I will go from there. Wish me luck. Yep, some rewinding. The AGFA, and I'm looking forward to seeing how these images turn out. It is one of those with just a button rewind. It's not a lever to turn it to get it easier to turn easier, so it's quite hard work, but I will get it going, and if not I will just open it in the dark. It is a very hard rewind on this one, but the camera seems to work really well, and I'm very happy with it. So, and I didn't pay that much for it either, so I'm actually quite happy. And right now I'm sitting here just very curious about my images and what these will look like. Shot the Fomapan at 50 as I usually do, around 50. But I've done some very heavy bracketing as well, so because I don't know this camera, so I've kind of taken a few notes and seen how it works the best. But I will see if I can get this rewound, and then I will show you the pictures in the B-roll, and I hope that you will enjoy this video. Thank you for joining me, and you know, it would be nice if people subscribe to my channel. It's lovely seeing that people are subscribing. Thank you for this time. I'll see you in the next one.